Hey everybody, welcome to Big Valley Living in Croctober 2023. Tonight I'm going to be making a nice Chile Verde with pork butt and pearled barley. It's so good, you're going to love it. Before I tell you what the ingredients are, I'd like to thank Jenny at Jeni's Scratch Made Kitchen and Tony at Kettle Kitchen for hosting this wonderful collaboration. There are going to be lots of channels this month, and what you're going to want to do is make sure to watch all of them so that you can put a comment in each video and increase your chances of winning in the live drawing that will be held on November 2nd, 2023 at 3:30 p.m. Pacific Time. Be sure to tune in to Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen that day so that you can take part in all of the festivities. Let's go over the ingredients real quickly. We have 1 cup of pearled barley, and we're going to rinse that very well by rinsing it in a strainer with some fresh cold water. We have 2 medium onions. You could also use 1 large onion, 6 cloves of garlic, and then we also are going to be using 3 to 4 cups of chicken stock. We ended up using 3 cups tonight. We are also going to use 2 cups of some home canned salsa verde, salt and pepper to taste, and then a 2-pound pork butt. Now what I've done is put my pearl barley into the crock pot along with 3 cups of chicken stock. And now what we're going to do is place our 2-pound pork butt right on top of all of that. And we'll place all of the onion that we've sliced thinly on top of the meat, followed by our fresh pressed garlic. Then I put the salsa verde on top, sprinkled with a little salt and pepper. We're going to put the lid on, and we're going to put it on low for 6 hours. Let's get the condiments going. Time for the reveal. Oh my goodness. Oh, if you could only smell this. The pork registered in at 175, and really that was probably a little more well done than it needed to be. And the barley was also a little bit more done than I'd like. However, it was really, really good. Tonight, my slow cooker just seemed to be working a little bit on overtime and overdrive, and sometimes that's going to happen. So I'm going to take these onions out as well, and I'm going to shred those along with the meat. And here it is, all put together and ready to go. I have tortillas in the microwave, and we'll just be able to plate it up as we see fit. And again, I really want to thank Jenny at Jeni's Scratch Made Kitchen and Tony at Kettle Kitchen for inviting us to be a part of Croctober 2023. Don't forget to tune in to all of the channels, leave a thoughtful comment to each one of the channels, consider subscribing to everybody, and don't forget, tune in at 3:30 p.m. on Thursday, November 2nd for an amazing prize giveaway. Thanks again for visiting Big Valley Living. See you later, everybody. Be kind.